Hey guys, so this is my video after surgery. My surgery this morning was at 7:30. I was out by 12:30, I think it was. Out, like not out of the surgery, but like out completely coming home. My surgery was an hour and a half only. I was really scared and really I don't know, traumatized. That's the word. I was traumatized, and I told the doctors and I told the nurses. Literally, my last surgery, the mastectomy, really traumatized me. It was so much pain. It was a long recovery, and being here, it's just, I'm having a really hard time. And one of the nurses actually sat down with me and said, listen, this is not going to be like the mastectomy. This is going to be like a walk in the park compared to what you have done. You're a strong woman. You're already done with the most horrible part of all this. You're going to be fine. That gave me like a really peace of mind, and I believed her. Because, everybody's telling you this, and you just think, like, yeah, right, they're just trying to be supportive, and they're lying to you. Because they tell you, obviously, you're going to be in pain after the mastectomy. But they don't really tell you exactly the excruciating pain that it is, So I woke up after the surgery. I didn't feel any pain, which was good. My surgery was only an hour and a half. I came in at 7:30. I was already back, IV and all that. At 7:30 was my surgery, and by 12:30 I was already my husband was driving me home. I am in no pain. This is completely different. It's incredible. First of all, after your mastectomy, you have no feelings in your boobs, so they're numb. You don't feel any pain. I had no pain, like no pain. I had some discomfort with where they cut in to where the incisions are at, but other than that, that's it. I am taking pain medication. I am, and I'm taking some nausea medication. What else am I taking? And that's it. And I'm actually going to share this with you guys. See if I can flip this thing around. Let me see. Where do you? I don't know if I can, but I'll get off the bed. This is my medical chart. Okay. I bought this in CVS. In the hospitals, they have this little chart that tells you, like, the medicine, the nurse is taking care of you and all that. So after my mastectomy, I had a lot of medications that I had to take, and my drains. I don't have any drains. So this was really cool. We got it in CVS. You can peel it off. So we put it back on. So the first surgery we used it, we put it back on for the second one. And we keep a record of the medicines, the time we took it, and when is my next dose. And then my husband puts the date that we're doing. And this is awesome. Why? Because I'm in bed. I'm in bed. I'm actually in my daughter's room because I like her bed better than mine for recovery. But and my bathroom is way further. I have to walk more than her bathroom's like 2 steps and I'm there. So we switch room whenever I have surgery. It's okay. She gets a better room when that happens. Don't feel bad for her. But this is awesome because I'm in bed like 2 feet from this, and I could see. And sometimes, when people get busy in life, working around the house, I could give myself my own medicine. And we have a pen somewhere. Oh, here it is. We have the pen, and we keep it. We keep everything together. So it's just another way, another little tip for you guys to know what to do whenever, if this ever happened, or a loved one. So anyway, the good news is, ladies, second surgery, it's not that bad. I may have to have a third surgery. Reason being is she wanted to go higher up here, like a bigger implant. I'm a very modest person. I don't wear like cleavage, or I don't expose my breasts. So I didn't want to have really big breasts, you know, like I didn't want them to be like up here, and then I don't know, like no. So due to that, she decided, the doctor, Dr. Maya decided not to go with the bigger implant. She said, listen, because you're modest, I'm not going to get you a bigger implant. I'd rather go just fill the bottom part and then later on get fat from your belly and fill it up here. Maybe, you know, this morning I said, no way. We'll see how the breast looks. You know, after all I have gone, I do not want to end up with not looking right, and this has been too much sacrifice. So we'll see. We'll see. Other than that, what else did she say? I think that was it. It's a little bit blur because I'm on pain medication. So, all right, guys, just letting you know I'm walking the journey with God, and second surgery didn't hurt. Thank God. They say recovery, like in a week or two, I would probably be feeling like I could do anything that I was doing before. One thing that I'm excited, I can move my hands, but I think they said they might have numbed the area, so we'll see. All right,